check out what we were given by KnifeSaga. This is a knife set. Now, it's just not just a knife set. It has a lot of different features with it. We're gonna get it out, put it together, show you everything about it. So we've got it all laid out here. Now, this is about 5.8 inches wide, about 9 inches tall. I forgot how long, it's like maybe 10, 11 inches long here. But it has a lot of options with this 14-piece knife set. Come in and let me show you. First of all, you have your steak knives. Now, these are just a one piece all together, one knife, very, very sharp. And you have 6 of those. Then you have like your paring knife. You have a smaller serrated knife and a larger serrated knife. You have your chef's knife and your Zambuco knife. Not only that, but you have a pair of scissors as well. But when you are using this, the one thing that you're gonna like the most is this is a pull-off type sharpener. Now, it's just not the kind of sharpener like I've had in the past where it's on the side and it's only one thing. This actually cuts 2 different ways. As you can read there, it says coarse and fine. So if you really need to sharpen this thing up, you can pull these across, and then you can, after you get it where you want it, then you can just refine it back down to razor sharp, just like that. And because of the fact that it has a magnet on the side and a piece of steel right there, boom, it stays with you. You're not gonna lose it. So if you are in the need of a nice 14-piece knife set that's gonna sit right on top of your countertop and is gonna just look absolutely stunning, get you one of these.